Okay, go ahead. This is Cody in my 6x6, and we're just going over this ditch here just to see the rear. Obviously the front I don't care about, but that. It's coming off, yeah? Do it again. Go, keep going. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a pretty steep drive line. You can see it in there. All right. Wow, that rear one really flexes. It comes out to, it's, maybe it comes right out to its full extension. This is not straight. Yes. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, one will come off the ground. Very good. So it doesn't like it, but it did it.